Wanbo, a trusted name in smart projectors with over 5 million users across 68 countries, proudly introduces its latest innovation, the Wanbo Cube 2 Pro ToF projector. Since its founding in 2016, Wanbo has been dedicated to delivering minimalist, stylish, and intelligent home cinema solutions. And with the Cube 2 Pro, the brand sets a new benchmark for portable, lifestyle-friendly projection. Inside the box, users will find the Wanbo Cube 2 Pro ToF projector, power cord, remote control, English user manual, quick operation guide, and certificate of approval. Everything needed to get started right away. The Cube 2 Pro stands out with its user-centered benefits. The ability to project anywhere with its 230-degree gimbal, instant clarity with ToF autofocus and auto keystone, a portable and minimalist design suited for home, travel, or office use, and an all-in-one content hub powered by Android TV. Designed with everyday flexibility in mind, its compact 1.4-kilogram body makes it highly portable, while versatile projection modes support front, rear, ceiling, and rear ceiling setups to fit any room. Connectivity is seamless with HDMI, USB, aux, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0, while the built-in 8-watt speaker provides immersive, room-filling sound. With its sleek design, cutting-edge ToF autofocus, rotating gimbal flexibility, and built-in Android TV, the Wanbo Cube 2 Pro represents the perfect fusion of form and function. It's not just a smart projector, it's a statement piece for modern living. Whether you're watching movies on your living room wall, enjoying a ceiling cinema from your bed, or bringing a portable theater to a weekend getaway, the Cube 2 Pro adapts to you, not the other way around.